Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from Homemaker. In our today's video we will be talking about how to propagate Ctenanthe Lubbersiana or prayer plant. Friends, these plants are known for their beautiful attractive foliage and the vibrant colors that they have. The leaves of these plants are usually mottled and speckled with the cream, white, light green, parrot green and dark green colors, and they look amazingly beautiful. These plants love to be in humid and moist conditions. So friends, these plants grow in clusters, and usually what happens is that when these plants grow in the bunches, one of the stem elongates too much and the end of that stem gives out lots of branches like this one that you are seeing in front of you. So this one stem has elongated too much, and what happens is it becomes very heavy at its top end, and when it becomes heavy it falls over like this. And when it falls over, it touches the ground and gives out roots, and all these branches become another one cluster which attaches to the soil. And then out of all these clusters there will be another one stem which will grow big and give a cluster of leaves at its top end, like this one you can see over here. So friend, this is how the Ctenanthe Lubbersiana, it propagates itself and it spreads everywhere, and that is the reason some people also grow them as ground covers. And in the tropics where they are native of, they grow as ground covers underneath the tall trees and big shrubs. So friends, let's see how to propagate these plants. It is very easy to propagate these plants. All you have to do is just snip off this long stem over here. So when you snip it off from here, so you've snipped off this end of the plant, and now what you have to do is place this end into the water. Or what you can do is you can separate all these branches over here, separate them and then pop them in water, and each one of the branch will give out its own root. I will show you the one that I have propagated. So here friends, you can separate out all these branches like that. The dead ones you can remove. And this is one bunch. This is another. And then this is the extra tall one. And here you can separate this one as well. There you go. You got one over here, and this is one new leaf coming out. These two leaves coming out. So friends, here from one plant you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cuttings. These are the cuttings that I took previously, I can say 3 weeks ago, and all of them have given out roots. And all these roots are quite well grown now, except this one. Here, you can place them in soil and you get your own Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. So friends, it's super easy to propagate these plants. I would like to suggest to use water propagation instead of the soil propagation, because through water propagation you can see what's happening with the root development, whereas in soil propagation you cannot see the root development. And the water propagation works more quickly and it's more successful. So friends, this was all about propagating Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We'll see you next time with another exciting video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, happy gardening. Bye bye.